Hey, good morning or good afternoon, depending on where you are around the world. Wanda Apollo here. Are you ready to ditch your 9 to 5 job? You're on the brink of something big. Based on your quiz answers, the perfect home-based business for you is the affiliate marketing business. Many online companies reward people just like you who promote their website and generate sales for them. This is called affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing the best business for you? Well, for starters, it's budget friendly to kick off. There's no hefty startup cost. It's like the price of a pizza with 2 toppings. Plus, there's no need to create your products. There's no need to store your products. There's no customer service. You just promote the existing ones. If any of your visitors that you send to the affiliate website makes a purchase, you'll earn 80% commission. And guess what? The sky is the limit. You can work as much or as little as you want to. But there are a few hurdles along the way. There's some learning curves that you must overcome. The good news is you can earn while you learn. Our training program will answer all your questions and show you how to get new visitors to your website. We're not just going to hand you this information. We're going to guide you through the whole process. Plus, we'll give you an offer that you can start promoting as soon as today. If you would like more details, click the link below and watch a short video, and we'll show you how it all works. I look forward to speaking to you.